BetterPoints is an app funded by Warwick District Council which allows you to track your journeys to and from school, work and leisure activities in Warwick District. To get started, download the app and sign up as directed and fill in your details. Once you've done that, enter the referral code which will appear on screen momentarily, or that you might have seen on posters and leaflets around the school. As part of our promotion at Myton, if you're one of the first 50 to sign up using the code, you'll get a 150 BetterPoints bonus as a thank you for signing up. We recommend that you use automatic tracking, however if you do want that manual control over when they can see your location, you can do that manually as well. Once you're in the app, go to Challenges at the bottom of the screen and join the Warwick District Choose How You Move. Then if you head back to your timeline, you'll see a survey which you can complete about your activity beforehand. Once you've done that, you'll get another 250 points to get you started, and then you can begin tracking your journeys in Warwick District. Once you've completed the survey, the app will then start tracking any activity that is low carbon and active travel related. So that can be walking, cycling, taking the bus or train in and out of Warwick District. You can then see your points balance by using the three bars in the top left corner. You can then see your points balance that will show the bonuses that you should hopefully have and anything that you gain from activities or anything that's taken out when you redeem. You can redeem or donate your BetterPoints using the sections at the bottom of the screen. Hopefully, once you've started using the app for a bit, you'll see your activities start to crop up like this. If you do have issues, just check that your background tracking is on in your settings. We wish you all the best of luck and we hope you enjoy the app.